Hello firewood friends, Mike with Kano Firewood, and I got something in the mail I want to show you. And it's Groundhog Day. You know what that means, right? Hello firewood friends, Mike with Kano Firewood, and I got something in the mail I want to show you. And it's Groundhog Day. You know what that means, right? All right, here's what we got in the mail. It's called... I kind of feel like the guy on Home Improvement looking over the fence. What's his name? I don't remember. Anyway, ushering in a new era of garden tidy. That's how you spell tidy. This would be I'm not even sure I can say that on YouTube. This is a pruning tool, but we're going to use it mainly to mark firewood. I'm super excited to get this and use it and show you guys. So let's unbox it. Here it is, the unboxing. Now, full disclosure, I have opened this, I have taken the batteries out and charged them, and then I just put everything right back in the box. I've not even touched the actual saw itself yet. It comes in a super nice case. And these guys have thought of everything. Comes with an instruction manual, a pair of gloves, a screwdriver to help change the chain or tighten it up, a little oiling can, a little oil bottle, isn't that cute? Extra chain, safety glasses, the saw itself, I'll show you in just a second, a charger, and two 21-volt batteries. And the charging port is right there. You just stick the end of this charger in there, plug it in the wall, and you're off to the races. There's a little light right here that's red if it's not charged, and it turns green when it is. Let's take this thing out and take a look. Anybody else love these? I could do this for hours, but I won't. So the installation of the battery is real simple. It just slides right in there, right? And then there is a safety button here. It's got to be depressed before the trigger will pull. It won't go. Now, what I'm going to do with this thing mainly is mark firewood to length. But I do have some pruning I want to do as well. So this is going to be super handy. I'm super excited to have it. Thank you, Natidy, for reaching out to us. All right, I'm pairing mine up with the Perfect Stick. And one thing I noticed right off the bat is the Perfect Stick is a little wider than the bar on the chain, but it does still work. You gotta just hold your mouth right. And it's not chewing up the Perfect Stick at all. I have another measuring device I'll throw on there and see if it's any better. Newly acquired Accu-U-Mark. Almost need a third hand here to put this stuff on. Yowzas. There again, that works, but boy, that's close. Just fits. So either one will fit. Looks like either one's going to work just fine. We'll go out and try it. I suppose that's good enough. Love it. This thing's fantastic. Ruh-roh. Wonder how long this battery's gonna last. go get a saw here, make some sawdust. We're gonna bring out the Echo. Why? Because it's awesome. Yeah, I'm not crazy about cutting wood in a pile like that, but I can see where this thing is super handy to mark your logs to length, whether it be in a pile like that or if you got some kind of table, or even if you're holding it on your forks. Especially if you had a second person, they wouldn't have to be super skilled with the chainsaw. They could run this thing and mark the logs for you, and you could go right down the log and cut it to length. I think it's going to be a win in our wood yard. I am going to do some pruning with it coming up, not necessarily today. It's super cold out here. It's like 20 degrees. So I'm just doing this to do the video for it. Watch for it more on the channel, and I will have a link in the description if you're interested. I believe there's a discount code as well. And I want to make an announcement that Saturday, today is Groundhog's Day, February 2nd? So on February 11th, Saturday, the day before the Super Bowl, the 765 guys and I are going to do a live at 6 p.m. and we're just going to talk firewood stuff. So I hope you can join us 6 p.m. Saturday, February 11th. Join us for the live at 6 p.m. We'll see you there. Get busy, because this stuff will not split itself.